I went to my shop and got this block of wood and decided that I wanted to make it like a dice, but I'm going to put birds on it with sayings. So somebody could have this as a conversation piece on their coffee table or whatever they wanted to do. I'm painting this little titmouse on here. He's facing forward. He's really sweet. He's a grayish color and he's got black and white accents on him. And I'm just painting it so it looks more realistic out in nature. And he turns out so cute. I'm doing some blue flowers and some green leaves. And I take 2 colors of green, actually 3, and kind of just fill it in a little bit so it looks a little more realistic there too. I put kind of a hunter green in the center. I go back and I darken it and then put some light color in there as well. I dry it real good. And I start with my very thin brush and start painting the words on there. It's going to say, "The birds of hope are everywhere. Listen to them sing." I don't know who wrote that. I will look it up so I can put the author of that on there. But there's different sides. I'm going to paint the rest of it, but not online, on video. So watch for all of these so you can see each side of the dice.